Hey, Maryellen! What are you doing? Do you have any plans for the summer? Scratch, scratch, scratch. I don't really think so. Well, what about you? I think you love camping. Well, don't you? How about you go on a camping trip this summer? It'll be epic and good. Whee! Well, what do you think? That sounds great and have the perfect set. Want me to go get it? Here it is. Well, what do we have here? Maryellen brought the American Girl Be Forever Maryllen's Campfire cooking set. Wow, look at the picture. Here's a closer look. What do you see? A campfire. Wow, and a pot, pans, and pancake like little pancake and eggs. Yum. I think that looks very fun. I think this is like in a camping series with Maryllen's vacation play suit, which we unboxed in the last video. If you haven't seen it, be sure to check it out. And then we also unboxed the Maryllen's hiking accessories. I love this campfire cooking set. Hee, do you? Be sure to bang that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. La 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 la. And also give us a big thumbs up if you like this video and this Maryllen's campfire cooking set. And now it's time to unbox and do some yummy pancakes. Here we have the Maryllen's Campfire cooking set. What should we start with? How about this AG pancake mix? It looks so delicious. And there's this AG right here with pancake mix on the bottom. It says great taste. Wow, look at that stack of pancakes. There's also maple syrup and a butter on top. The net weight is 40 ounces. And this box is yellow color with a streak of blue, and this part's red too. And if you touch it, it feels like cardboard and paper in between. And if you shake it, there's nothing inside. Here's a look at the side. And the other side. And the bottom. And if you look on the very top, it says pancake mix. It looks like you can open it, but it's actually printed on. On the bottom here, we have a kettle. Look at this kettle, it's very pretty. You can also see the white specks all over. And then we also have this handle that moves back and forth. And then here's a look at the front. It doesn't pour out real water, but what's good about it is that you can take off the lid. If you're wondering, let's look inside. It's very spacious. And then we set this little kettle on top of the stove. It goes through. Relating with the stove, we also have this pot here. This pot has a handle that's silver, and this is actually plastic, so is the kettle. And look on top, this lid opens. Wow. If you look at it, it's a teal color, and then we have a dark blue handle. And there's also this little texture here. And then here's a look at the inside part of it. Look at this rimming. It's all like dark navy blue and stuff. Here's also the rim here. Here's the silver handle and moves back and forth. Wow, another spacious inside. If you look at it like this, it might be just a bucket. And then we can also set it on top of the stove like this. And then we're gonna show you what we do if we have to let it hang. And then we also have this pot like this pan here. And this pan is white on the outside and it says American Girl right here. The inside is all black, and this is actually plastic too. I thought it was like a metal one. And this part we have the handle. the handle has like also a little hole so you can hang it like that. Now what do you cook inside? Food. What food? Pancake. Look at this pancake. It looks like a real one. And it has a butter on top. And on over here we also have these little holes and stuff. Looks like it's a stack of 2. Just like on the bottom. And then we set it inside. This is what it looks like. Ooh, what's this? A fried egg, and it's also plastic. And on the inside, there's also the yolk. Look at this egg white here. And then we take the pancake out and just set it inside like this. What else foods do we have? Some breakfast patties. These breakfast patties are 4 of them, and then they're also stacked together so you can't take them apart. And look at it, it also has this reddish tint to it, to the brown. You can't really set it inside. And over here we have a fork, and this fork is also metal here, and it has those little tines on the top. There's like 4 of them. And then you can skewer a pancake up. Yum, yum, yum. And over here we have this blue part that's like a navy part, and it's also metal. What else is metal right here? Do you see? It says yummy spatula. And if you see it, it's also like this iced blue. And this is also metal. And then look on the inside. There's also these holes here. There are 3 of them. And then we also have a hole on top to hang. And then you cook it like that. Ooh, the pancake's ready. Where do we set it? On this plate. Here's yummy pancakes. Time to dig in with this fork. If you look at this plate here, it also has these specks of white on the dark navy blue color, such as this kettle. The kettle looks like it has more specks than this one. And you can also see it's a very large plate, so you can put all 3 of these foods inside. And then there's also this rimming part. Here's a look at the other side. Let's set everything inside. Pancake, breakfast patties, and egg. Ooh, we also have this little cup, and this one's also specked with white, so then it goes along with the little plate, and then we also have the kettle too. Look over here, there's also this rimming, and the inside you can set water. And there's also this handle, so dogs can hold it. Here's water, and then we can drink it along with these yummy foods. What are these 2 black things for? Pretty sure they're for this little stove. And if you look at it, it also feels a little like this plastic, and it also has texture to it. So we have 2 of them, and there's a hook on the top, so you can set the kettle on top. Or we can also set the pot. So there's 2 of them, so both of them can go on. After that, we have the camp stove. This camping stove looks very good. And then look on top, we have this rack. This rack seems like you can set this pan on top. And then it also feels like the same as these 2. It just has this texture. And then over here we have these little indents, so I'm going to set it on the inside here. And then if you look at it, we have these little stones all about, but these are actually plastic, and they have different colors. Wow, they actually look like a real one. And then we have these clay colors, and then we have these darkish, grayish colors. They look actually like real ones. And here's a look at the back, and then the other side. And on the top is also the same, except for the indents right there. And on the inside, you can see there are some stones that are like charred or black. That's probably because of the wood and the fire. And if you look on the inside, you can see the fire. It's clear, and it also has a little bit of black there. And then we have the wood over here that look also like a little bit charred. Wow. And then if you're wondering, you see this button? If you press on it, it doesn't work because we didn't install the battery in. Let's set the rack back on. And then we have these 2. Wow, one looks like it's like more short down in here, and one's more higher. Let's set these two here. Or maybe it's the other way. I'm pretty sure it's like that. And then we can go cooking now. This little pot says, what does Maryellen want to do? Does she want to cook? Let's go see. Pancakes on stove, ready for me. Thanks, Jessie, for making them. Come on, look. Maryellen's ready to eat her egg. Look, it's right here. And then have the paddle. Look at that pancake mix. The pancake's right there, cooking. There's the stove. Look, it's right there. And then we also have a kettle on the top and the pot. What's cooking inside? Ooh, those yummy breakfast patties. And then we're gonna go, ooh, and cook it. And then the pancake's ready. I'll scoop it out. And it's right here. Listen, perfectly, the breakfast patties are ready. And now we're gonna skewer them out with a fork. Look at this complete breakfast. It's so pretty and delicious. I'd like to eat one, The breakfast patties, fried egg, and pancake with the butter on top. All we need is some maple syrup. But where to find it? Maryellen's gonna go look. Nah, I didn't find the maple syrup. So we're just gonna do butter and pancakes. Anyway, it's delicious enough. I can't wait. They must turn out very delicious and perfect. That sounds reassuring. Okay, it's time to eat them. Nom nom nom. Wow, they're so delicious. So comment down below and the Maryellen's Campfire cooking set, what's your favorite? I have to say, I loved all the foods. They're like so delicious. Wanna look? Lift. And they're all made by Jessie. Yay! And be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye! Be sure to always have a pancake on your hand always.